Hello everyone, I hope everybody is having a wonderful day and everybody is well. This video is about the beautiful Gardenia shrub. It is an evergreen. It stays evergreen, green leaves on it all year long. Sometimes they will turn a little bit yellow and fall off, but I've had this for a good while. And this gardenia right here smells so good. I always plant mine close to a door or a window so I can be greeted and guests can be greeted with the wonderful smell. This one, like I said, I've had it for several years, or not several years, but for a good while. I could not get it to bloom. I knew they loved acidic soil, and I thought, well, that's probably what the problem is. So I went inside, got a gallon of water, and put a teaspoon to tablespoon full of white vinegar, mixed it all together, came out here one early spring morning and poured it on this gardenia, on the root area. And the next growing season, which was not too long after that, blooming season, was in late May or early June. I come out here, it had tons and tons of blossoms on it. So if you're having that same trouble, it's probably due to the soil. You may try that, get you a gallon of water in the early spring before it gets real hot. Put a teaspoon or tablespoon, whichever you prefer. If you're worried about it may kill it or anything like that, just start off with a teaspoon, but I'm pretty sure I put a tablespoon. But anyway, then you will have the most beautiful blooms. This is such a fragrant flower, and just pure white. I have several varieties, and this one here, as you can see, I haven't come out here and deadheaded it yet. I usually do deadhead these. You will have more blooms if you do that. But if you can't get them to bloom at all, do what I said. Get you a gallon of water, put in a teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, pour it on it. I usually try to always do stuff like that when I know it's on rain, you know, a couple of hours later too. That would be the best time, in the early spring and when you know it's going to rain, not much later. This is such a good smell. It just smells so good. I wish I could smell this. But anyway, these are just so beautiful. And if you like me, I love a fragrant garden. Butterflies love these, as well as the pollinators. The honeybee population do. They love them. And I'm just saying, I don't think you will be disappointed with a white gardenia. Everybody take care and have a safe and blessed day. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you would. I sure would appreciate it. Take care. Bye-bye.